Macro traders and investors, here we are, and I'm Domenico, and I bring you my institutional vision on global markets. Get ready because today we are analyzing ICP and the year is 2025. The Unbreakable Decentralized Cloud set to dominate big in big tech, infinite scale, and zero hacks. What's up, crypto fam, and welcome to your go to for cutting edge tech breakdowns that could change everything. Today, we're unpacking the Internet Computer Protocol, the ICP World Computer, and the game changer that's not just challenging the cloud giants, but straight up poised to replace them. If you ignored ICP, it's time to pay attention because this is the unhackable world computer blending Bitcoin security with infinite scalability. And by the video's end, you'll know why. ICP is the crypto's next mega trend. Are you new here? Smash subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll uncover hidden gems weekly. Let's dive deep and explore. Let's start with a harsh truth. Centralized clouds, AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, they own your world. Apps, data, everything. And they're bleeding you dry while failing at security. Per the 2025 IBM cost of data breach report, the average global breach now costs 4.88 million. That's up 10 to 15% up from 2024, with US organizations facing over 10 million in recovery alone. That's massive. Looking at Viking Cloud 2025 stats, organizations endure close to 2,000 cyber attacks weekly. That's a 47% spike from last year. That's a massive percentage spike. With ransomware exploding 126% just in Q1 alone. These outdated stacks are a hacker's playground, costing the globe just this year alone 10.5 trillion in cybercrime, according to Cybersecurity Ventures. And these numbers are only going to escalate with the onboarding of mass adoption of AI. But it's not just the hacks. We're talking about cloud. Cloud waste is epidemic. CloudZero's 2025 report reveals 30% of cloud spend, that's 147 billion globally, is pure waste. Pure waste. It's money that's burnt. You can light it with a match. With 90% of organizations overspending by 20 to 30%. Enterprises average 35% budget leakage on inefficient setups. Decentralization isn't a band-aid, it's a full fucking replacement. ICP delivers tamper-proof compute, storage, and bandwidth straight from the protocol, slashing costs and risks, no more middleman vulnerabilities. Extra value tip. Just say if you're a small businesses pay 120K average to recover from breaches. ICP's model, sovereign, on-chain, everything unbreakable, fortress for your data. ICP's blueprint, straight from Bitcoin, the undisputed king. Since 2009, Bitcoin math-driven consensus has delivered ironclad security. And as of this video today, circulating supply hits 19.01 million out of the 21 million max, with a market cap towering over 2.37 trillion. Zero core hacks in 16 years, despite trillions targeting. Yet, Bitcoin's ledger only design limits it. That's the problem. No complex apps or computations. That's a gap ICP fills, evolving BTC's principles into a programmable world computer for Bitcoin DeFi, AI, and beyond. Pro tip, while bridges and exchanges bleed, like in 2025 this year, $1.5 billion Bybit hack, Bitcoin stands strong. ICP extends this to full ecosystems, handling AI, social media, all with the same resilience. And recent XBars users rave about ICP's growth, mirroring Bitcoin's early days. ICP, guys, isn't just hype. It is the first decentralized computer extending Bitcoin to general use. From DFINITY's launch back in May 2021, 4 years later, zero hacks, 100% uptime, spanning 113 data centers in 34 countries. It processes millions of transactions daily. ICP's core tech, chain key for bridgeless integrations, threshold ECDSA for signatures, and internet identity for seamless loggings, and also integrated reverse gas for Web2 UX. 2025 updates that we have are AI dev tools, doubled storage in August for massive dApps, and Solana integration via Transfusion. And since May, uniting Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, which we arguably say are the three biggest cryptos, without risky bridges. That's massive for interoperability. And stats record, token burns signal deflation. Though the usage is hyper growing, as I mentioned in my video the other day, we got close to 90,000 burns just in one day. So, not financial advice, but as I said in 2026, I expect a deflationary supply shock. ICP's replicated state, it's doubled its capacity, it is ready. This doubling of capacity is ready for 100x scaling. And this scaling will come from once Caffeine AI will be available for the masses. But who's behind it all? DFINITY's 200 plus elite team, all ex-Google, IBM, its Zurich alums. There are 1,600 plus publications, 100,000 plus citations with 250 plus patents. Founder Dominic Williams and privacy guru Jane Kamenesh leading breakthroughs like Chain Key. The pre-launch is 1,000 plus person year R&D development. Now it's integrated with Bitcoin, ETH, and Sol. And this is a quote from DFINITY. The largest blockchain research and development team. Recent patents include key derivation signatures from April 2025. And you want the proof in action? ICP already hosts 1,000 plus dApps. We already have onboarded millions of users. OpenChat encrypted WhatsApp rival, 300,000 plus users, 7% monthly growth with millions of messages. We have DSCVR with Reddit, X Hybrid, 100,000 plus users with 55,000 plus posts. That is fully DAO governed. Let's look at DeFi. We've got Fininterest, IC Lighthouse, native BTC trading, billions in TVL, potential social tagger, catalyst for tokenized communities. So we have NFTs, we have EntryPot, we also have Origin, which is a fully on-chain. We have AI, we have IC notes with LLMs in contracts, and we have Caffeine AI for no-code games. So we have gaming, we have IC Punk, P2E. They have for new ecosystem, we have Taco DAO for on-chain portfolio management with zero inflation merit rewards. So looking at now to mid-2025, the ecosystem is booming, per DFINITY's dashboard. Just look at the dashboard. It's going up to the right. And we also have hackathons on board and it's actually booming. The ecosystem is getting a lot of development and the numbers don't lie. ICP crushes with trustless ops because it's seamless UX. 2025 Solana Fusion is a game changer. We have all the other add-ons with cross chains. So interoperability with Ethereum and Bitcoin, it's just going to provide so much liquidity to onboard. It's massive. Massive. And for developers, small teams, 90% cloud costs slashed. That would improve global reach. The protocol handles security uptime, no DevOps. You've got the Web 2 fuel, but powered on Web 3. We've got, starting from July, no-code AI tools with Caffeine AI. Then that's going to be coming for the masses. Then we also have ICP Ninja for GitHub to live deployments. So it is absolutely massive. And ICP, when we look at Bitcoin resilience, plus its cloud might, and its true on-chain world for apps, DeFi, and AI, owned by no one but you. You own it all, and it's unstoppable. And with a market cap here today of roughly 2.7 billion, and we're talking slightly below $5. There's some X sentiment for a minimum price of 13 end of year, all the way up to 100 by the year's end. But obviously, if you look at my other videos and we look at the long-term view of what ICP brings to the table, we're just at the cusp. We're just at the beginning of what is going to be a massive boom. Do your own research, watch the videos, but don't miss it because the future is here. Are you mind blown? I am. Once you get peeled with ICP, once you see it, you can't unsee it. It's just like the Matrix. Comment ICP domination, like, share, sub for more, explore at DFINITY.org. Peace out for now. Take care.